Today, I'm going to show you how to jailbreak the new iOS 13. As you can see, I'm running the new iOS 13. To install Jailbreak, you need to open Safari browser and visit jail-ios.com. Once you are there, you will see explanation of how it works and how to jailbreak your device. All of these apps are injected with Cydia, so it doesn't matter which app you try. Sometimes these apps get patched, so if it doesn't work with the first app, then just try another app. So what you need to do now is download one of these apps, start it up, and when you do this, the Cydia installation will start in the background. All of the apps are of course 100% free, so you got nothing to lose. You need to start the app and keep it running for about 30 seconds to give Cydia time to install itself and the jailbreak. As I mentioned earlier, all apps are injected with Cydia, so just pick one, download, and keep it running for about 30 seconds and restart your device. If it doesn't work on the first try, just try again with a different app. As you can see, I have Cydia and the jailbreak on my iOS device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if it works for you.